Hi traders, Anthony here. Just wanted to do this video on the US30, give you my take on it. Basically what I'm seeing at the moment is the market's overextended. It's traded down into a big level of support. I'm interested in shorting this, but I don't want to be jumping in down here where we've overextended here. So I'm looking for the pullback potentially up into this level here if we get it. Okay, you could pull a fib, I guess, up into the 50 to the 618 or 786. That would be my ideal entry for this. But what I wanted to do with the video is show you how I navigate this and deal with the volatility. I mean, it's pretty unpredictable. It can move considerably in either direction at any time, and I have a method of trading this. So what are we on the daily? Right. What I'm looking at first up is from the higher time frame, some sort of game plan. I think I would prefer to see a pullback and then look for an opportunity then if we get that. I don't want to be trading it down here short, given how overextended it is. We have this thin leg. Yeah, a pullback up into here would be what I'm waiting on. So with that in mind, the game plan is retrace and then look for the opportunity. How I find those opportunities is if we go out of here, I'm going to open up a 2-chart layout. What I have here is a 30-minute on this down the bottom here, this chart, and I have a 5-minute above using our indicators, right? And I have this down the bottom, this multi-time frame, giving me an indication that we're predominantly bearish. So I'm looking for 3 out of 5 of these to be red for a start, and or this to be trading under this shaded zone here, which it is. Okay, we can see that. This is the 30-minute chart down here. For entry, it's a simple process. I want the opportunity, get in when this, well, so we see our impulse leg and then we see the retrace, and I want the trade out of here, okay, as this rotates. That's the opportunity I'm looking for. These pullbacks, maybe here, and then if we see another pullback, I'd be looking for something around here perhaps. Just depends how the market moves and what it gives me. So with that in mind, and considering that I'm looking for short opportunities only after this level, I don't want to be shorting it up here, but once we see that on the 30, let me just double up on that so we know where it is. Then I'm looking for my opportunity to sell. And having a look at this now on the, well, you can see the drawings were transferred over. Now you can do that here. Select this and it'll transfer the drawing. So you can see here, these are my points of interest. So let's just go back. Okay, so it was after these 2 lines that I was looking for a short opportunity. So what I'm wanting is every one of these triangle breakout alerts, red triangle breakout alerts, right? The green ones are going to give me the pullback, right, or a stop run. That's what that looks like here. But I'm looking for the red alert. Given that this is bearish, I only want short opportunities. So then after this fires, I'm looking for the pullback into the mean here. Then that's going to be my short. That's pretty much it. Well, we'll have a quick look at these. So we didn't get a signal here, and I'm tending to only go with the signal. So there's a signal, pull back into the mean, short it. There's a signal here, pull back into the mean, short it. Right, so you can see what this is giving me on the 30-minute time frame. So then what I'll be doing then is managing the trade on the 30-minute time frame. All right, so that's an entry, that was an entry, and we can see these transfer over. So let me just show you then how we work this. Entry is taken on the lower time frame, so that's going to be my entry point right here. Short, I'm going to manage the trade on the 30-minute. So my stop loss, if that's, where are we? Let me just make it a star or something so I can see it. There it is. Yep, okay. On the 30-minute here, that's my entry in here. So the stop loss is going to be basically set up here off these dots on the 30-minute time frame. Depending on your risk appetite, your position size and whatnot, I mean, you could go for setting your stop loss up here and trailing these dots, or you can tighten it up and trail it here. Okay, there's your stop loss, and you can see the results. Okay, these 3 trades worked out very nice. Whoops, what have I done? Okay, I've messed it up. So going back out of here now, I've got lines everywhere. Let's just clear everything. Yeah, so that's essentially how I trade this. The alerts go off in the alerts log over here. Okay, 5-minute chart. It brings me in immediately. You don't miss a trade, basically. You know, that was the last one. There's your entry, and there's your trade. Now, the next opportunity, well, that was the last one. So what I'm looking for now is, if we open that up, would be another red break signal. You know, if this pulls back, as I was hoping it would, into wherever, and then we get the rotation, well, that's when our next breakout signal will fire, as this rotates out or rotates away down from this level here, and then that's our cue to take the short. Okay guys, I mean, that wraps it up. I'd like to invite you to check out the link below the video in the description. Go to my website and gain access to the indicators, my Telegram group and everything, and you'll have a week, 7-day free trial of the indicators and the whole system with all my tutorials, the Telegram group. And if you decide to stay on after that, $19.95 a month, which is peanuts. So with that, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in Telegram.